episode, Ladder Boy versus the evil General Washing Machine. We begin our story with our hero. After spending hours playing video games and days accumulating garbage on his bedroom floor, he realizes that now is the time for doing the tasking chore of laundry. As he enters the laundry room and approaches the washing machine, he realizes that's no ordinary washing machine. That's General Washing Machine.
I must transform into Ladder Boy. You're going down, General.
I don't think so this time, Ladder Boy.
I think you've forgotten about my ultimate weapon, General.
Hi-ya! No! I don't understand how I lost. Curse you, Ladder Boy. This isn't the last you'll see of me, General Washing Machine.
I sure fixed that washing machine.
And so our hero was left to do his laundry in peace and continue his chores without interruption by evildoers. Tune in for the next installment of the height-raising adventures of Ladder Boy.
Loud.